Hey guys, welcome to another video. So it is Binance India exchange. So we have buy with INR P2P trading. So today I will show you how to deposit INR into our account. First of all, tap on deposit. Here it will come P2P trading. Then here we tap. So it's currently loading. Then it load. Here we can see different peoples. Here how to sell crypto. Okay, I don't want blah blah blah. Okay, then here we select lightning UPI. Then we can see here this guy 92 rupees is price. Then we can just withdraw 300 rupees at a time. Here we go to buy USDT. Then I don't prefer this guy, I prefer this one because I can take around 1000 rupees. Then here we go to buy USDT. Here it is, we have to enter the amount which is 900 rupees. Then we will receive this much dollar. Then if we tap on buy USDT, okay, so there will come uh, skip, there will come this QR scanner. It comes different every time. So whatever amount you have entered, it will come with this QR. So yeah, you have to just pay on this. And we have here uh, payment where we can talk and all. So I already sent her and I had received earlier amount. So ignore this one currently. Okay, so that's how you deposit rupees into your Binance account. Then for withdrawal I will upload a video, so you guys can check out that video also, how to withdraw from centralized exchange to decentralized one if you want to trade and buy into those early meme coins which aren't listed on tier 1 or tier 2 exchanges. Okay, so yeah, that's for video. Bye bye.